I ordered the Philips One Blade Pro for my son for Christmas, and being a former hairstylist, I couldn't resist giving it a go to see how it stacks up against your typical hair trimmer or clipper. To be honest, I was a bit puzzled about why my son wanted one, given our existing arsenal of trimmers and clippers at home. However, I now understand its functionality and user-friendliness, especially for those who aren't professional barbers experienced with clippers. One cool feature is its shower-friendly design, which means in a pinch, you can shave in there without worrying about getting it wet. According to my son, the battery life is impressive. He charged it 10 minutes the day that he unwrapped it, and a month later, he hasn't had to charge it yet. Even with his 3 uses per week, I'm charging it now so you can see how it works. He mainly uses it for shaving and neatening up his mustache. While it doesn't quite match the closeness of a wet shave with a razor and cream, he insists it gives him the precise look he's aiming for. So I took a shot at it using it on my husband's beard, and I found it to be particularly effective for trimming it down. I really liked it for edging and tackling those pesky hairs that grow in all directions. For someone not adept at the scissor over trimmer technique, this tool is a game changer. In fact, I'm now planning to grab another one for my husband so he can manage his beard and mustache on his own. With its flexible arm that hugs the contours of your face, it's perfect for edging, for shaving, and maintaining a bit of a stubble. According to my son, it's incredibly gentle and never pulls on your hair. Adding to its user-friendly appeal, in my opinion, you just can't mess it up, which is why I recommend the Philips One Blade Pro as a great addition to your teen or spouse's grooming routine.